Nobody else has that.
This feature is just incredible.
Yeah, when I was driving my truck, I didn't feel this like this one.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I am great.
My name is Derek.
I'm Penny.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Penny.
to meet you.
We're just over 70,000 pounds today with this truck and trailer.
You know, great. The one and only time I have ever driven one of these is when we were here probably 3 or 4 years ago.
And like I said, we're 70,000 pounds. So we're going up a 6% grade constantly, and you just change gears.
Yeah.
Now keep going, keep holding it down, hold it down, hold it down. I want to show you what my truck will do. So this truck has the lowest gear ratio of any one that we're showing today. I think that's pretty impressive to pull that much weight up a hill and still continue to gain speed. What'd you think of our show last night?
It was awesome. It was amazing. I've never been a part of anything like that.
And I just don't have enough length in the track to tell you everything about this truck.
They need a 5-mile track.
They need a 5-mile track, or let us take 2 laps.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed your drive.
I did. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am.
I
It's
certainly
nice to
appreciate
meet
it.
you.
Nice to meet you as well. Thank you.
Y'all need to buy a bunch of these.
Updating our fleet, we just bought 4 last week, and he told them last night, he said, I want the first VNL in our area, so. Got 3 drivers that come to mind that once they see this, hey boss man, can I have that truck when you get it?